Hello everyone. I just bought this tinted film. It's non-adhesive, so to put it on the window glasses like this. So if you want to get some privacy, you can convert this kind of a window glass or sliding door glass into this kind of design. It looks pretty cool here, and it's non-adhesive. You don't need to use any glue or anything. Just basically I bought it from Amazon. So how you apply it is clean this window, spray a lot of water here, and cut this tape to the measurements that you need, and then once you spray the water, put it on the glass. So I have done half of my sliding door right now. It looks like this, really beautiful. So I'll be doing the remaining half, and I'll show you some of the steps that I have done. So this is the window film that I bought from Amazon, as I said. So this is how it comes, like in a roll. So what I do is, it's like pretty much 1.5 feet width. So I lay it on the floor and then cut this to my measurements, window measurements. So this is how it comes, and it has some installation instructions as well. So I'll share the link in the description, but this is pretty cool. A little bit of effort, but you can easily install it yourself. So this is how, once I opened that film, this is how it looks like. So it's pretty much, I think, 6 feet tall, like around 78, 6.5 feet tall, 78 inch. So basically cut to the measurements that fits to your window. So my window is around 72 inch. So I'll take off the 6 inch from the bottom here. So because the birds are facing like this, so I want to cut the extra piece at the bottom of this film, so that even if I do some, not a clean cutting edge right at the bottom while cutting, it doesn't look that bad. So this is how it is, and I'll cut it, and then I'll show you. So I take this knife and cut it like this with the measurements, right? So it's very easy. So just cut like this.
Yep.
Slow and easy. That's it. So you cut it off. So I take the 6 inches from here.
Yep.
So that leaves with 72 inch for me. So using this spray bottle, you just spray the water like this. Put as much as water you can, and then basically get the peel off the safety paper or whatever they have behind this film, and then just stick with it to the window, and then just use a credit card or the glass wiper like this to take the bubbles out. So you can take the bubbles just with the credit card. You can just keep doing this, and then the bubbles will come out, and then you should be good. So I finished the remaining part of the window as well. So finally this is how it looks like. This is like during daytime. This is the kind of a side view of the window pane, right? And this is how it looks on the front. I think at the end it came out really well. Good privacy screen, easy to install. Okay guys, talk to you again in the next video. Have fun, hope this helps.